I am a necessary evil in your life. You own real estate, Park Avenue, Fifth Avenue, Madison, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, all the avenues. Value of your portfolio today is not what it was yesterday. Over 30 years of real estate equity gone, poof, disappeared. Your legacy is in danger. The legacy for your children. You had a glowing career. You had it all figured out. Until the market came crashing down. I'm the last person you want to work with. You don't want to work with me. And now all of a sudden, you got to listen to a guy like me, but can help you change your capital stack legally.